Hey, it's Dave from Organized Confusion Drones. Well, in this episode, we're at St. Vincent and the Grenadines, checking out the new Sandals St Vincent. What an amazing place this is. 301 rooms, the island is incredible. You've got the longest pool in the Caribbean, lots to see and do here. Let's go have a look. So this is the main road in. Incredible scenery here at the mountains in the background. This is where you'll pull up to start enjoying your vacation. This is the place. This is the front entrance where you arrive to start an amazing vacation. The Club Sandals Lounge is located just off the main lobby. If you're club level, you can come in here, cool down for a minute, catch up on some news, grab some drinks, you can have a coffee. They have books you can take out, board games, and you can also talk to your concierge to get things set up. is the main pool at Sandals St Vincent, one of the longest in the Caribbean. Lots of seating and cabanas in the back and a swim-up bar in the center. No issues at this resort with towels. They're located everywhere. So as of right now, November, the cabanas which are located around the edges of the pool are free. And apparently Sandals is going to start charging for them. So this is the Crescent pool that's located just behind the main pool. A little quieter. So these spots by the infinity pool are a really great location. Unfortunately, you have to be up pretty early to get one. So these bikes are located just outside of the front entrance. You can grab one and zip around anywhere in the resort. These bikes make getting around the resort so easy. It's the first time I've seen this at any resort that I've been to in the Caribbean. But there's dogs at this one. Usually it's cats. But here there's packs of dogs and they're really nice, they're friendly. Never seen them give anyone any trouble. They're living a pretty good life eating off snacks at the restaurants. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? They have tennis and pickleball on site with an instructor if you want to learn. So they have the on-site dive shop here, which is just down by the water, around where the restaurants are. Great diving at Sandals, all the best equipment, and a really nice dive boat. So this is the location of the Red Lane Spa where you can come and have a massage, but also if you want to just drop in, use the pool with a jacuzzi, steam room, or hot tub, you can do that as well without cost. As with all Sandals, they have a wedding chapel. You can have your ceremony in. Really nice location on the water. So it's not the biggest beach of the Sandals, but it is very nice. The water is good, sandy bottom, No sea urchins, nothing to cut your feet on, and really warm. This is the spot where the loyalty and travel desk is. Go in there and book your next vacation. Behind me, Island Routes. You can book some excursions. And the restaurants. Breakfast buffet is over there. Scrimshaw's, great surf and turf place. Butch's Steakhouse. Parasol, which is another nice beach place. That's a sit-down breakfast in there, off a menu, and this is the breakfast buffet. So this area is called the Plaza, where the location of the sushi restaurant is. Bloom Coffee Shop. Jerk Shack is next to it. Got a bar here, and they have some nightly entertainment in this location. Beach House Resort Shop. Three Jewels Rum Bar, great spot. Next to the Jerk Shop, over here is called Buckham Restaurant. Really cool concept. Sit down with a bunch of guests at a long table, kind of like a family style dinner, on all local fare. Really nice spot. So Sandals reward program is awesome, and every time you come there's a return guest dinner which is held here in this building that's just outside of the main resort, still on property. There's the hotel down there. They shuttle you back and forth on golf carts, and it's a really nice evening. So that was a look at Sandals St Vincent. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, what a great hotel. This place is incredible. If you're lucky enough to come here, you will not regret it. The staff were amazing. The hotel, just the location, incredible. Ocean is great. Just perfect. The people of St. Vincent are just so friendly. I'd say the nicest of most Caribbean islands I've been to. This place just knocked it out of the park. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Hit the like if you did. See you on the next one.